Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am at the car wash, and I got my nails done. I also got my piggies done. They're pink. I got pink piggies, and I took the day off today just because it was a nice day and I needed to do some things, including my nails, get the car washed. I needed to do some videos, and I want to go do a little couponing at CVS. So I may let you guys, after I've gone to CVS, I may do a haul and attach it to this, but I'm not sure. But I thought for sure I'd just do a vlog. So I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see the car wash, because I think that's fun. Here's the car wash. Maybe I'll fast forward it. Alright, that was fun. Now I have to stop here to do my tires. I think it's here. Okay, now he's telling me to go up. And it's funny because his shirt says trained by Mr. Miyagi. That's pretty funny. And they like do the windows and the wheels. And I met my husband for lunch at a Mexican food place, and I got some water to go. So that was fun that I was able to meet with him, and we had a nice lunch. I had a taco that I unshelled. They gave me 2 tacos. I don't know why. I only ordered 1. I only ate 1 too, but that was kind of odd. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna let you guys go because CVS is right around the corner, and I will continue this vlog after a while. Bye guys. Okay guys, I'm back from CVS, and I purchased quite a bit, and I ended up getting, or saving, well, how does that work? I saved $75.05 and I spent $73.64. So I spent quite a bit, but I got $5, $10, $14, $19, $29 back. So that's almost $30 back. So it looks like I spent $73, but really I spent $44.64 if I take those off of this purchase, which is what I think I should do. I think that's the way to do it. So I really kind of spent $44 on all of this stuff. And then next time when I shop, I don't know how to do that. I don't know. That's where the couponing kind of gets confusing for me. But and it's hard to know how they did the coupons to make sure that you got them all right, but I think I did. So, I mean, so once I show you everything I got, I think that it's still pretty good, even if it was $73. So I got 4 packages of these Playtex Sport Compacts. They're 18 packs. I got 3 of the regular and 1 of the super because they only had, that's everything they had left of every size. So I ended up getting those. And the reason I got 4 was because I had, and I'm not going to go through my whole breakdown because this is not a coupon video, because I am just like dipping my toes into the whole coupon world, because I know people do a way better job than this, but I feel really good about it. So I got all 4 of those, and I know I had a coupon, and then I think I also got spend 12, get 5 extra bucks. So I got extra bucks from spending 12 on these, and well, let's see, I can tell you. They were buy one, get one half off, so they were $6.99, or sorry, $6.19 each, and then $3.09 for the second one. So in order to use my coupons and to spend the right amount, I don't know, I'm following what someone else told me was to buy 4. So that's what I ended up doing. And I did have 2 coupons for those on my own. So I did that. And then I think I may have screwed this one up, I'm not sure. But I got a Hard as Nails, and I had a $2 coupon for this, and this was $3.99, so that made it $1.99. And then if you bought 2 Sally Hansen things, you got you got $5 off. So I had to buy another one. I had another coupon that came through my CVS card for this brand, and it was $2 off of the Complete Salon Manicure. I could have picked from different kinds of color. All of these, none of them had a price, so I didn't know how much I was spending on one. And then when I saw this ring up, I was like, oh, it's probably more than I would have spent. I don't even know if I particularly care for the color. I was kind of thinking of my daughter with this. Let me tell you how much these were. This was $8.49, so I did get a $2 coupon off of it, so I spent $6.49. That's still kind of a lot for just a regular nail polish, but it's not too bad. And then I think that there's some Ibotta stuff too that I also need to use. So with Ibotta and checkout 51, I'm going to save some more money, but I don't know how much yet, so I can't really include that yet. I might do another reload at the end to tell you what that is. And then I also did, they had gum, buy 2 get 1 free coupon, and I haven't seen this Tic Tac gum, so I got 3 of those. It's probably not a great gum because I can see how people would want to swallow this just because they're used to Tic Tacs. But because I hadn't tried this kind yet and it was on sale for 99 cents, so I spent $3 and then I got $1.19 off. So that means I spent $1.80 on all 3 of them. So that wasn't too bad. If you divide that up, I don't know how much it is, 90 cents a piece or something. I don't know. No, less than that, because that would have been for 2. $1.80 for all 3. That's pretty good. All right, and then I got hair color. And I got 2 of this kind because I had coupons for each one of these. These were $3.50 off, and each one was 2 for $14, so they were $7 a piece. Then I had $3.50 off, so that made it $4.50. No, $3.50. $4.50, $5.50, $6.50, $7. Yeah, $3.50 a piece. I couldn't pass that up, so I did that. Yeah, wow, $3.50 a piece. So I got 2 different colors just because I kind of like this red color. I think that might be fun for the fall, maybe late summer. And then this is just kind of my regular color. I've not used this brand before, but I figure why not? $3.50 a piece, that's really good. And then I got 2 of this kind, and I think I got the same color in both of these, and this is my regular color again. Again, I haven't tried this. I usually use like L'Oreal, so, but I have not had any problems with any colors. I've used other colors before. I just don't think I've ever used that particular brand. Sorry, I moved you guys. There's my hand. That's nice, isn't it? Okay, so let's see here. How much were those? The $3.79 each. So I got all of those for a song, really. I mean, I spent $3.59 or $3.50 or $3.79 on each one. I can't beat that for hair color. And I only use 1 per thing. I would have gotten some for my daughter because she needs 2 with her long hair, but I didn't know what color to get, so I didn't get any for her. But maybe next time when she's with me, I'll get an idea of what she likes, and then I can maybe do a little stockpile for that, because this will be, this is like a whole year of food coloring for me, but food coloring, of hair color for me, because I do it about every 3 months. Sometimes I should do it every 2, so I might need a little bit more, but this should last me through the end of the year for sure. And I think I still have one upstairs, so that's a pretty good deal. And Katie doesn't have to do it, really. She just likes to do it, so hers is just for fun, so she doesn't really need any. I also got 2 mascaras. I know I do not need mascara, but I had coupons for CoverGirl, and what was it? It was $3 off 15, and this was one of the cheapest things I could have gotten, and they were $10.49 each. And I really like their lipstick, but I had just gotten 2 before, so I didn't really need any of those, and I didn't know what color to get for Katie. And this was a new one, and it's called Peacock, and they had waterproof, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try this kind. And I thought that I would just get 2 of the same, one for me and one for my daughter, and I had to get 2 in order to use the coupon. So I did that, and then I also got this because I had a coupon, and this smells really good. Oh, I really like the smell of this. This is for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair, which is sometimes me, and frizzy for sure. Sometimes dry. It's manageable, all right, but it's the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. I always worry about the sleek because since I have curly hair, do I really want it sleek? But I don't know. I guess I didn't pay much attention. It doesn't tell me what scent this is, and it has, I think, an avocado on it. I don't know. But oh, this shampoo smells better than the conditioner. It smells really good. So that was, let me tell you, the Peacock, Hard as Nails, those are all Tic Tac Gum, Dove Chocolate, oh, Garnier Fructis. Those were 2 for $7 each, I guess. So they were $3.50 each. And then I had a $3 off 2. So they were $3.50, and then I got $1.50 off, so they were $2 a piece. So not too bad. And then I got 2 of these chic, I don't know, chic razors. I'm gonna give this one to Katie. It's a Chic Intuition, and it has lotion already like on the thing. It looks kind of funny, but I know that she likes to use what's it called, shaving cream on her legs. I like to use it too sometimes, but she, I think, likes it more. She has to shave more frequently than I do anymore anyway, so I thought that she might like that with the stuff already on it. So I got that one, and then I got myself this one. It's the Quattro, and it comes with blades, so this was really nice, and it's pink, so it's pretty. So there's 4 total blades. One's already on it, but then 3 replacement blades. So these were, they're kind of pricey. They were $12.99 and $13.29. I did have a manufacturer coupon for, I think, $4 off. So I was spending 13, and 13 is 26. I was spending $26.29, and then I got $4 off, so it was $22.29. And then I got a $10 extra rewards card. Yes, so that makes it like $12.29 for both of them if I look at it that way, which that's how I'm gonna look at it. So that was really good. So like $5 a piece, so that was pretty cool. And then I got Dove chocolate bars, or chocolate. These are on sale for 2 for $6, and you had to buy 2. So I got a sea salt caramel and dark chocolate, and then a milk chocolate. And I don't really eat any of these anymore. I would love to, but I don't. But I do like to have them in the house, and then I also have an office that I like to keep some candies at work. And these were $3 a bag, but then each of the bags had a $1 off coupon on it, so they ended up being $2 a bag. Plus, let's see, there was something with those. I think that might be, yeah, they were normally $4.29 each. They were on sale for $3. Then I had the coupon for, so I got them 2 for $4. And then I know that there's an Ibotta or something like that for me that I will use on those as well. And I think they end up being like $1 a piece, something along that range. So that's pretty cool. And okay, that is everything. So, I mean, I think I got a fairly good amount of stuff. And if I'm looking at it the way I want to look at it, saying I spent like $43, that's pretty good, and I'm still not done with the checkout 51 and Ibotta. So I will let you guys know what that ends up being here in just a little minute. So I got $6 from Ibotta on the Natural Instincts Clairol and the Dove chocolate. I could use 2 of the Dove chocolates and 1 Natural Instincts. I think that's the only things that I got from Ibotta. I'm going to do checkout 51 now. So I was able to save $2 more using checkout 51 on one of the Sally Hansen products. So that made it a lot more tolerable. So that means that I saved a little bit more on that, which is good. Now, something that's weird is that this has an Ibotta for $2 off, but when I looked a little closer, because I couldn't ever find it at CVS, it looks like it's just for Walmart. So I guess my advice would be to pay attention to that before you buy some of these if you're thinking that you want to use it for the Ibotta app. But at the CVS, I got my $10 coupon, so it was a better deal for me to get it to save $10 rather than to save 2. I was just hoping to save 12 if I could, but I couldn't, and that's all right. So that was another $8 total off. And what did I say it was? My total was 73, so it was like 44, and then another $8 off, so that makes it $36 total. Pretty good for all this junk. As long as you need this stuff and you will use it, I think it's a good deal. If you're just buying stuff because it's a good price, which is fun and exhilarating sometimes, it's not going to save you money because you're buying stuff that you wouldn't normally buy. I kind of did that a little bit with the razors, only because we didn't need this particular kind. I wouldn't have spent this much, but I didn't spend that much. So I guess I would have spent as much as I did with the coupons. So I didn't really save any money, because if I wouldn't have spent this much on them anyway, you know what I'm saying? The tampons my daughter will use, the mascara we will use, the shampoo we'll use, the hair color we'll use. I wouldn't probably have bought the nail color or the nail polish. I'm hoping that Katie really likes this color, and I like this color, so it's worth it, you know. So I really think I did pretty good. So yay. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.